Good morning. We will start the morning call. US markets were flat on Friday. Asian markets as well as SGX Nifty are down around 0.5% this morning. However, the Japanese Nikkei climbed by around 1% as the ruling coalition expanded its majority in the upper house election in Japan. US and European equity futures are down while Brent crude oil is volatile and at around $106. The US economy on Friday created 372,000 jobs in June, far more than the forecasted figure of around 275,000 jobs. So we think that because of such a strong economic number, there is a possibility that the Fed will raise the rates by 75 basis points in its next meeting. I will now hand over all the call to the technical team.
Thank you, Jayan. Good morning, all of you. See, last week we see the positive momentum in index and both index. Nifty almost trading on higher side in 3% in last week, and we see the upside immediate resistance 16,670 and upside. If Nifty break that level, then we expect further momentum. Today we expect some profit booking at this level, and important support place is 16,100, 16,040 at downside. If Nifty breaks 16,000 level, then we expect further pressure towards 15,870, 850 at downside. So we see the some sideways momentum at 16,000 and 16,900 range. If Nifty break upside level 16 to 70, then we see the fresh momentum towards 16,600 and upside. Bank Nifty also trading the near the resistance zone, so we expect some profit booking at Bank Nifty also. Immediate support place around 35,000 and 34,900 at downside. If Bank Nifty break that level, then we expect further fall towards 34,750, 34,500 at downside. But we expect again bounce back at that level. So any chance in buy on dip strategy, maintain buy on dip strategy. Nifty Finance also trading near the resistance zone, that is 16,130 level, 150 level and upside. Immediate support place on 15,930 and 15,850 at downside. In stock specific, L&T looks positive. We already given a monthly call also, and we expect the momentum it will carry towards 17 to 20, 17, 14 upside. Second, ITC also looks positive or about 290. We expect rally further towards 304, 305. Support place around 284, 282 at downside. Deepak Nitrate also looks positive at current level, trading about 770. So we expect further rally towards 1830, 1840. Support place around 1740 at downside. That's it for technical. Derivative guide and get.
Yeah, thank you, because see, on the derivative front, looking at the overall open interest has come down from the highs in the last week. It has come down about 10%. So looks like some profit booking has happened. PCRY also from 0.70 odd to 1.20, it has come up as the Nifty has moved up. So these two things are a bit negative for the markets. However, the VIX going down below the 20 levels is a big positive. And if it continues to remain below the 20 levels, we will see this rally move up further, which can take the index higher towards the 16,500 levels. The base has shifted higher from 15,500 to 16,000 puts. That is a very good sign. So again, for the Nifty, I believe if Nifty continues to sustain above the 16,100, 16,000 odd levels, you will see further buying which can take it towards 16,500 odd levels. So yes, we are opening 100 points down, but important level is that range of 16,000 to 16,100, 16,000 being the strong support area. So that should be a stop loss for long positions in the market for the next couple of days. From the stock specific front, HDFC AMC continues to rise. A lot of shorts are built in. It is continuing to see short covering action, which is a good sign. Tata Chemicals continues to see good additions in open interest. So long positions have been built in. So it's a good sign for this particular stock. So one can look to buy these two stocks once the Nifty starts to move up. That's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
KSB Limited, a company which makes very complex pumps, has received orders of 500 crores from Nuclear Power Corporation of India. Although the supply of these orders will start from FY26 onwards, this is positive. Bandhan Bank Q1 update was negative. The advances declined by 3% quarter on quarter. And if we look at collection efficiency for the MFI segment, it was down to 91% compared to 97% in March quarter. The main states which led the decline was Assam, where collection efficiency dipped to 72% compared to 92% in March. This can be attributed partly to the floods also, and the situation will only get worse because July continues to be a eventful month in Assam regarding floods. Even in other states like West Bengal, it has declined, and also rest of India also it has declined. So overall, this is negative for Bandhan Bank, and people holding the stock should look at exiting. CCL Products has forayed into plant-based meat products in India through the launch of brand Continental Greenbird. So this news is positive for CCL Products. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. TCS had posted its result on Friday, and the company had posted marginally below expectation numbers for the quarter. CC revenue, Q on Q revenue growth that came at 3.5% versus expectation of 3.6%. However, EBIT margins declined and came in at 23.1% versus expectation of 23.7%. EBIT margins dipped by around 186 bps Q on Q, majorly due to wage hike impact for full quarter, supply side pressures, hiring costs, contracting costs, which was negated with operational efficiency. Management targets to improve the margins going ahead and come back to its to 25% level. With good demand visibility and good pipeline, management sees no budget cut for next few months. But over a long term, management has no clarity about the recession and its impact on demand. However, expect recession in US to be shallow and Europe to be deeper. Outlook is neutral. Stock is trading at 27.8 times by 23 EPS. Supermart has posted its result, and the company had posted ahead of expectation number for the quarter. Revenue came in at 9806 crore versus expectation of the similar number. However, EBITDA margins have improved and came in at 10.3% versus expectation of 9.8%. Stock is trading at a PE of 78.9 times FY24 EPS. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.